We're Al and Andy.
Count to 3 and then start, okay?
An American girl, an English bloke. Could I go into a sandwich store and say, I would love to have a cucumber sandwich, please? Who are passionate about traveling. To do that, we purchased this rare 1965 Clark Cortez motorhome that we're currently restoring and taking you on that journey with us. Clutch down?
Yeah, but, oh no, bit more gas.
Oh my God, hey! Okay, I don't want to do this part. Switch.
Clutch down?
Yeah. I don't want to do this part.
Yeah, it's a lot, isn't it?
I feel like I'm about to have a heart attack.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm about to have a heart attack.
So roll up your sleeves because we've got a lot to do. This is what a hard day's work looks like.
Oh, there be love, love, love. Wherever you go, 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 there be love.
Does it feel strange to you to be out here looking like a normal person?
I mean, I feel like a normal person, but I feel out of place.
I know.
Kinda.
I do. Don't touch anything because you'll get dirty.
Hey up.
Hi y'all.
So the other night we had a bit of a Hey up.
Hi y'all.
Hey up.
Hi y'all.
We're recording this video to. Damn. Hey up.
Hi y'all. Why are we so bad?
Shit. Whoa. Hey up.
Hi. Sorry. Okay.
Hey up.
Hi y'all.
Oh, did it again. Oh my God, it's going to be dark soon. My feet are going dead.
Well, I still have to edit this.
I know.
We're talking about the problem that we're doing right now.
I know. You ready?
I'm waiting for you.
Hey up.
Hi y'all.
So we've had a bit of a realization when it comes to YouTube. We're not actually that good at it.
No, we're not. We started our YouTube channel with us. Andy was teaching me vehicle mechanics, which I'm still learning.
This is for you. Crack on.
Oh
Debbie.
my gosh. We were doing one job at a time. Since then, Andy's really wanted to optimize free time, and so he'll come up and work on some jobs alone. But when you have a 55-year-old motorhome, those jobs turn into sometimes multiple problems. And so we're realizing that we're in a bit of a bind. For example, we started working on our roof, and then that turned into installing mud flaps and starting a fuel tank restoration.
Don't forget the carburetor.
Our carburetor was leaking and then our clutch didn't work. Oh, it's the color it should be.
Yep.
Honestly, I am confused. And if I'm confused, I'm thinking you're sure as hell confused too, because we have no idea how to craft this into a video to be able to tell you what we are doing.
So here's what we aim to do. We hope to do more videos more regularly, making things more clear as we proceed.
Here's why we've struggled. We do not have our Cortez perfectly placed in our driveway. We have to drive to my aunt and uncle's farm, which, can we say again? Thank you. Because if it weren't for them, we would be driving who knows where, who knows how long, and truth be told, they are the reason that we were able to get our Cortez.
Another reason why we have been struggling is because we both work full time. So then giving up every weekend to come out here and work on the Cortez, it's just impossible. It stops us living as life.
And another thing that's held up against us is we don't have videos stockpiled. We're coming out on Saturday, working on the Cortez, also working on Sunday, editing a video on Sunday, which we'll have to do today to get the video out for you on Monday. And it's hard.
It is hard, and that's one of the main reasons why we're going to slow down. What we want to do from now on is occasionally just give you guys information and our plans on our big decisions on where we're going with the Cortez. So some videos from now on you will see us dressed nicely, not covered in dirt, just telling you what we're going to be doing in the future. Here's what you can expect from us in the next few weeks. Firstly, the fuel tank, which we've been working on for months, but we've had tons of issues, and it's the reason why the Cortez currently doesn't move. Please work, please work, please work. Positive vibes, people, positive vibes.
For more on those problems, also, we want advice. That's gonna be our next Monday video.
The company's been kind enough to provide us with some products to test, so keep an eye out for that. And there'll be a video on us replacing the ball joint on the passenger side of our Cortez.
And for more on everything that we've just talked about, plus from the very start to hopefully the very bitter end, we have those details on our website at soulofaseeker.com. Big picture, we hope to be finished with our mechanical work in about 6 months. That's June, and past that, we're gonna be moving forward with the build. So we're talking about layout, and we're talking about designs and plans and products, and we're really excited, and we can't wait to share it with you.
And that's it. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, like this video, and leave us a comment. It really does help YouTube share our video with a larger audience, and it helps grow our channel.
Definitely. So thank you so much for being here with us for now, and we cannot wait to see you next Monday.
Hopefully.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Stop making fun of me and then kissing me like it's okay.